guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making hair growth oil. What I have with me right now is my fenugreek mixed with grapeseed oil. I have had this infusing for about 2 months or so. So today we are finally going to make the oil. First, I am going to go ahead and add some of my most important essential oils. You guys already know number one on that list will be my peppermint oil. This is because this particular essential oil soothes my scalp, especially when it is dry, when it's itchy. When I just put this on my scalp, everything tends to stop. So don't forget to add the essential oil of your choice. You don't necessarily have to use peppermint, as I always say. Add as many as possible. Now I am going to go ahead with my preservative. We add this because we want to extend the life shelf of this oil. So if you know you're making any soap, any oil, any spray, any conditioner, and you're not going to use it all right away, you need to add preservative. But if you feel like you're going to be done with this in a week or less, then I guess you can get away with not adding that. I also went ahead to add more of the essential oil. The one I just added is the wild growth oil, which we know is really, really good. I love the smell of this one. So go ahead and put as many as possible. It's all up to you, but you don't have to as well because fenugreek on its own is already a powerhouse. Moving forward to the second part of this video, and it is working with our herbal mix. This one can be found on my Amazon storefront. I am going to be leaving my link, and well, my link is in my bio. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Now, I did not measure this because I was trying to make sure that I get at least a little bit of each herb, just so I can get the full benefit. But this was the only one that I did this for. Now, moving on, I am going to now add CHEBE powder. We already know CHEBE powder is good for length retention. So I just added a little bit of this. Now, for all the things that I measured out, I will be sure to add that to the description for you guys. But as I always say, if you're allergic to anything that I used in this video, make sure you substitute something else for it. Now, after adding everything, you can, this is a personal choice, you can choose to just let it sit for as long as you want. The longer you leave it to infuse, the better. But if you don't have time to let it infuse, you can also perform the double boiler method. But for the sake of today's video, I will be letting mine infuse for only 2 days, which is not bad, right? If you need it right away, you got to do what you got to do. But let's move forward. This is how it looked like after 2 days or so. The smell wasn't bad because again, it has peppermint oil and it has all this, nothing to really make it smell bad, so you don't have to worry. You can leave this for as long as you want because we added preservative in the beginning. But if you didn't add it in the beginning, you can go ahead and add it now, so that way the oil doesn't go bad while it is infusing. Honestly, this has been the longest I have let an oil infuse, which is the fenugreek that I left for about 2 months. Now we will go ahead and strain it with our cheesecloth. Again, I have to shout out whoever suggested this cheesecloth. It is really working and really saving me time. And this is what the oil looked like. It was very minty thanks to the peppermint oil that we used, and that's about it. This brings us to the end of the video. Now, once I use it, I can put it in the fridge until my next use, and it lasts for a very long time, honestly. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have really experienced the benefits of fenugreek, because that's the main powerhouse of today's video. And if you have, what do you have to say about fenugreek? Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and ask me any questions that you have. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.